Dasher error code 676 is a server communication error that prevents DoorDash drivers from accessing the app, accepting orders, or completing deliveries. This persistent technical issue affects drivers across the platform. Error code 676 stems from three main categories of problems. Understanding these causes helps drivers identify and resolve the issue more effectively. Server-side issues occur when DoorDash's backend systems experience problems. This includes scheduled maintenance, high server load during peak hours, and API endpoint failures that prevent proper communication. Client-side problems originate from the driver's device or connection. These include poor internet connectivity, outdated app versions, device compatibility issues, and corrupted app data that interferes with server communication. Account-related issues involve authentication problems, account restrictions, or verification requirements. These can cause error code 676 even when both the server and device are functioning properly. Reports of error code 676 have increased by 23% since late 2024. The error occurs most frequently during peak meal hours and is more common in newly launched markets with developing infrastructure. Understanding error code 676 is crucial for drivers as it directly impacts their ability to earn income and complete deliveries. Recognizing the different causes helps drivers respond appropriately and minimize downtime. When encountering error code 676, start with these basic troubleshooting steps to resolve connectivity issues quickly. If basic steps don't work, try app-level fixes. Force close the DoorDash app, clear its cache and data, or update to the latest version. Device-level issues can also cause error 676. Restart your device, check for system updates, and ensure you have sufficient storage space. For persistent issues, try advanced troubleshooting. Reset your network settings, change DNS servers to 8.8.8.8, and check for firewall interference. Prevent future error 676 occurrences by keeping your app updated, regularly clearing cache, monitoring storage levels, and maintaining backup internet connections.